In a regular kite, there is a diagram of a kite ABCD. Diagonal AD is perpendicular bisector of the diagonal BC. BC, it is cutting BC just in between, middle, and ABD, this angle is given as 105. BDC given as 60. BD is 12. This BBD is given as 12. You need to find out the area of the kite ABCD. Now, here 105 it is given. This is 60 degree. This is given as 60 degree. And as per the concept of kite, I can find it out. This side will be equal to that side. So basically, this angle will be equal to that angle. Third angle is given as 60 degree. So each of the angle will be also 60 degree. So this part would be 60. Considering that, the balanced part would be here. That should be, it would be 45 degree. It should be 45 degree. Now, we need to find it out. As the BD length is 12, I can find it out. BC length will be equal to also 12. As BDC is equilateral triangle. We have already seen that all of the angles are 60 degrees, so equilateral triangle. That means BC is equal to 12, one diagonal. It is nothing but one diagonal. Now, if I can find it out the other diagonal, then it would be possible to get our area as well. Now, let me find it out. This area of BDC we can find. The other area ABC I need to find. It is 45 degree given, and it is 90 degree also. So these angle will be also 45 degree. What does it mean? Meaning is this side will be equal to that side. So if I break the entire kite area into two triangle area of kite, in different format I can do, but area of the kite, if I can write it down, area of ABC plus area of BCD, wherever BCD is equilateral triangle. So area of BCD, it would be nothing but root 3 by 4 into A square. A is the side, which is 12 square. This is BCD. That can be considered as root 3 and here 12 square. So divided by 4. 3 into 4. 3 square 9 into 4. 36. So that can be written as 36 root 3. Okay. ABC triangle area that I am interested to find out. ABC, this triangle. And here, this base is half of the BC side. That means 6. So I can, for triangle ABC, I know the BC side is given as 12. Half of it is 6. So this would be half of it 6. If I am taking this one is O, then AO will be equal to half of that 6. So area of ABC will be equal to half of base 12 into 6, 36. So area of the kite is coming as ABC area, which is 36, plus BCD area, 36 root 3. Taken 36 common, root 3 plus 1. So 36 into root 3 plus 1, which is option A. Option A is the area of the kite by this way.